Cleanse your aura, do lock and protection. Don't get disturbed in between. Please make sure no one is disturbing you. Don't open your eyes until I say. First, we relax all your body parts. Relax your forehead region. Mentally visualize that your forehead region is into the deeper state of relaxation. Relax your both eyebrows. All tensions and worries surrounded you are going out. With your each breath, you are moving towards the deeper state of relaxation. Relax your eyes. Feel the heaviness in your eyes, and you are going into the deeper state of relaxation. Relax your cheek muscles. Relax your whole face. Relax the back head region. Relax your front, back, and the whole neck region. With the each inhalation of your breath, you are reaching towards the deeper state of relaxation. Relax your shoulders. With the each exhalation, all the stress, worries, negative energies are going out from your body. Relax your arms, forearms, palms. Relax your each finger joint. Relax your chest region. You are into the deeper state of relaxation. Visualize your internal organs, heart, liver, lungs are going into the deeper state of relaxation. With each exhalation, all the stress and worries are moving out from your body. Relax your belly region. Visualize the internal organs, the small intestine. The large intestine is going into the deeper state of relaxation. Relax your kidney region. Relax your thighs, knees, calf muscles, ankles, and the feet. Your whole body is now in the deeper state of relaxation. You are completely relaxed. Completely relaxed. When I count reverse from 5 to 1, you will reach the state of relaxation, zero thoughts. My voice will help you to take you into the deeper state of relaxation. 5. All the body parts are getting healed and relaxed. 4. 3. You are attaining the deep state of relaxation. 2. Still more deeper. 1. This is your relaxing phase. Peace of mind with zero thoughts. Relax. Relax. Now your body is in deep state of relaxation. Now your body is in deeper state of relaxation. Mentally visualize your light body. Above your head. The light is just 1 or 2 inches of body, which is made up of the light. This is the light tested body, your Atma. Which is connected to your body through the silver link. Just send your light body 3 feet above your body. You can see your Atma coming out from you and reaching the 3 feet distance above you. Make the astral body to move towards the sky. Move upward. Now you have reached into the sky. From there, you can see the earth. Let's start our astral journey and keep moving upward and reach to the moon. You feel very light. Still upward, crossing the sun. Your astral body cross the sun, reaching towards the stars and the galaxy. Now, in the galaxy, you are traveling upward and reaching the greatest darkness of the universe. Everything is dark over there. You are flying into the greatest darkness. You are able to view the small light illuminating from the distance. You are moving closer towards the light, reaching towards the light. Reaching towards the light. When you reach near the light, you can see the beautiful golden gate. It is a magnificent gate. You can view the staircase to climb to the Akash. You entered into the golden gate. There you are seeing the gems, crystals, and beautifully carved staircase with the gems and crystals, which is the path to reach the Akash. You can see the diamonds, rubies, emeralds, everything. When you keep on moving with that staircase, you are able to view your Siddha master standing in front of you. He is your Guruji who can show you the path and take you to the astral records area. Just look into your Guruji, how she or he looks. Just find him who he is. Let's know who is your Guru. Touch your Guru's feet and take his blessings. Explain him why you are here and ask your Guruji to give the permission to access your astral records. Guruji, I want to access my records. Please help me. Please show me the path. Your Guruji is holding your hand and opening the gates of the Akashic records. And bringing you into the palace where all the records are stored. You have now entered into the divine room in the palace. You can see the Supreme Soul, your ancestors, your elders. You can see everyone. Take their blessings. Meet all your ancestors, elders, and get their blessings. You are moving towards the Supreme Soul and getting his blessings. You entered into a room with the Supreme Soul blessings with your Guruji, where there is a lots of chambers and the small rooms ask your Guruji to help and bring me to the, please Guruji, please bring me to my Akashic records room. Your Guruji is holding your hand and took you to one chamber. That is a small room where you can see different types of books. It is just like a library. All the previous lives and future lives records are saved in that books, in the library. That is the room of your Akashic records, where your previous lives records and your future life records are saved. Randomly, you pick one book and hold it in your hand. Check, is there any name printed in this book? The book is your soul imprint. Open the book. You are able to see the images, pictures, photographs in the book. When you touch the image, you are able to see the scenario behind the image. Just visualize it. Just get the remembrance of the scene, of the picture. You can see the before and after, what has happened with the situation of the image, like reverse and forward. You can clearly visualize the incident, what is happening there with the divine energies. You can easily feel, sense, do smell, do listen, everything that is happening there right now. Just take your hand out of that image and come out of the scene. Check the back page of the book. Is there any lesson from the past life? Read in your language. You have the power to read the language. You can listen the life lesson. Allow your tongue to frame the sentence. What is the lesson from your past life? With what promise you came here in this life? Frame the sentence. Now, close the book. Keep the book where you have picked it. Come out of the room. Close the door. Hold the hand of your Guruji. Take the blessings from the Supreme Soul and promise him you will fulfill your wish why you came in this world. Take the blessings from all your ancestors, elders, hold your Guruji's hand and come out of that beautiful palace. You are coming down to the staircase. Now you have reached the Golden Gate. Convey your gratitude and thanks to the Guruji. Touch his or her feet. Ask your Guruji, is there any message that you want to convey right now? Guruji, please tell me, is there any message that you want to convey me right now? Take the message. Thanks to your Guruji. Take his blessings and start your return astral journey towards your body. You are reaching to the galaxy, stars, sky, coming towards around the sun, moon, and reach to the earth. Now you are on the 3 feet top on your body. Just slowly you are entering inside your body. You have entered into your body. Feel the sensation of your fingers, your legs. Move your head slowly, slowly. Convey gratitude to the Guruji. Guruji, thanks for helping me to take my astral records. Thanks to the Shiva Shakti. Say thank you to the universal prana energy. Palakas, Navagrahadipatis. Say thank you to the Charachara Jivakoti who has helped you throughout your astral travel. Say gratitude to your parents. Say thank you to your Istadevata and Kuladevata. Say thank you to your ancestors and the elders. With or without knowing, if I did any mistakes or hurt anyone in this or my previous lives, I would sincerely say apologize to that Atmas. Please apologize me. I say apologize to my own Atma which is inside me. I will accept the apologies who are saying to me. Pray to the Shiva Bhagwan to give mukti to your ancestors. Slowly rub your both hands Put it on your eyes. Feel the energies. Touch all over your body. With a big smile on your face, slowly open your eyes. First, see your whole body.